Have you ever opened up the Bible, looked at all those pages, and just felt lost? You're not alone. It's this huge book, and it's easy to feel like you don't even know where to begin. But what if I told you the biggest reason for that confusion comes from a simple misunderstanding? We expect the Bible to read like a single modern novel from cover to cover. But it's not a single book. It's a library. It's a collection of 66 ancient books, all bound together. And just like any library, it has different sections. There are epic historical stories, like in Genesis or Acts, that tell the grand narrative of God and His people. There's beautiful emotional poetry and songs in the book of Psalms. You'll find practical, bite-sized wisdom for daily life in Proverbs. And in the New Testament, you have personal letters written to real people addressing their real-life problems. You wouldn't read a history textbook the same way you read a book of poetry, right? The same is true here. You read the historical accounts for the grand story, but you read the Psalms to connect with the raw, human emotion of faith. You read Proverbs for a nugget of wisdom, not for a plotline. So if you've ever felt confused jumping from one part to another, that's completely normal. The style just changed on you. The secret, the key that unlocks so much clarity, is simply asking yourself, what kind of book am I reading right now? Once you see the Bible as this diverse library, it stops being an intimidating mountain you have to climb. It becomes an inviting space you can explore, one book at a time. No one is expected to read it all the same way, so just pick a book that sounds interesting, understand what it is, and begin. You might be surprised at what you find.